tired of makeshift setups and struggling to capture that perfect overhead shot for your videos? Today I'm going to show you 3 reliable gear options that will make your overhead tabletop filming a breeze. So if you create videos and you need overhead or tabletop shots, whether it's for unboxing, showcasing products on the table, or even drawing demos, then you know how challenging it can be to get a stable top-down view. Maybe you have been using some sort of DIY hack until now, just like I did. Over the past 2 or 3 years, I have tried out and purchased several different products for my own use. I have already made videos about a few of them individually. But in this single video, I am going to show you 3 different products together. No matter if you are using a pro camera like a DSLR or just your smartphone, these 3 products can be chosen accordingly. Let's start with the most budget-friendly yet practical option first. Number 1, table mount with clamp and flexible arms. This is a simple table clamp mount that you can attach anywhere on your desk. It comes with 2 adjustable arms. The benefit is that you can easily tilt your phone downwards or upwards. Although you can't adjust the height much, the spring-loaded mechanism holds your phone firmly at any angle you choose. If you position it and let go, it will stay right where you left it. You also have locks on it for extra security. When it comes to shooting overhead or tabletop shots, it includes a small ball head and a phone holder. Just loosen it. Set your phone angle vertical or horizontal, and once you find the perfect angle in your preview, lock it into place. If you need a bit more height, you can adjust the arms to reach about 2 feet, which is usually good enough for most tabletop videos. However, sometimes you won't have a suitable surface to clamp onto, since this mount must be screwed or tightened to a table edge. That's why I got a second option. So number 2 is portable tabletop overhead stand. This second option is especially designed for overhead shots. The best part, you can adjust its height, which you couldn't do with the first one. Just loosen it and raise or lower as needed. While it doesn't offer quite as much height as the clamp mount, it's more portable. If you are shooting outdoors or traveling, you can carry it easily. The base sits on the table, and on top you get a stand plus a ball head where you can attach your phone holder. You can adjust the angle vertically or horizontally here as well. The main limitation is that if your phone is a bit heavy or if you try to raise it too high, the stand can become unstable and tip forward. Also, because of the 2 front legs, you have to be very careful with framing. Those legs might appear in your wide or 1x shots. In my opinion, it's not as practical as the first clamp-based option, but it can still work if you are careful. These 2 stands are my go-to recommendations for smartphone users. Now the last comes heavy-duty clamp mount for DSLR or mirrorless cameras. Now let's talk about a more expensive but durable option, especially if you plan to use a DSLR or a mirrorless camera. This one also clamps securely onto a table, ensuring a strong grip. You won't have the wobbling issue that sometimes occur with tripods. Height adjustment is easy. Both the upper and lower sections can be extended. At full extension, you can get up to around 4 feet of height. For overhead shot, it extends about 14 inches out horizontally, which is more than enough for most tabletop demos. You also get 2 ball heads, one for the camera and one at the top, allowing you to tilt the camera vertically or horizontally and get the perfect angle for your overhead shot. The extendable arm for overhead shooting is also removable, making it versatile if you want to use it for live streams or other camera setups on your desk. The stand can handle a payload of up to 2 kg, so it's solid and stable even with heavier cameras rigs. These are the 3 options I recommend for getting overhead or tabletop shots. I've included all the product links in the description, so feel free to check them out. If you want to see more product recommendations, let me know in the comments. Until next time, take care and keep creating.